Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps, and today we are going to be playing with some of our brand new stamps. So I'm going to create a card using some of our Dreamscape papers and some of our rice papers as well. So you don't always have to create an inky background. You can actually use some of our backgrounds that are already printed, already made, and you can simply use them to layer, stamp on. You can even paint over the top if you wish, but it's a good starting point, it's a good base, especially for those of you who aren't as confident as creating a background. So as I say, we have our lovely Dreamscape papers here. I've actually torn some paper out of an old book as well, so we're going to stamp onto that. Yeah, I've just got some bits and pieces, and it's going to be a little bit collagey, something a little bit different. So let's just get started. I'm going to first of all bring a little bit of colour over the top of the paper that I've got here. So I'm going to take a grey. This is the graphite from our elements, and I'm going to grab a stencil brush, and all I'm going to do is just bring a little bit of colour over the top. I'm going to pop that to the side. And I've got some of our lovely coloured rice paper here. I'm going to stamp up our lovely Starmoth. This is one of my favourite fairies at the moment. I'm going to ink her in the Nocturne. This is the Versifine Claire. Now I always use this ink. I think it's the best ink on the planet for stamping. You'll see for the last, I don't know, 25 years that I've always used this ink. It's a product I really do believe in, and I think when you've got fine detailed stamps, I think it's perfect for that. So I'm going to stamp that over the top now, always remembering to just press on it for a while. Okay, leave the ink to soak in to anything that you're doing. The more textured it is, the longer it takes the ink to soak in, so just be mindful of that. And I'm going to pop that over the top. So using some of the Bippity Boppity glue named by my son Jamie, I'm going to pop some over the back like so, and let's just stick that down. As I say, it's a little bit sort of collagey today. And then I've got a background here, so I'm going to place that on top of that. So we need to go back to the Bippity Boppity. Let's put a little bit more on. So you've got these lovely textures coming through. Okay, so I'm going to use some of our stickers here as well. So I've got a couple of these lovely mushrooms. Put one there, and then we'll do another one next to it. There we go. And we've got one of our verses here, Dream with Your Eyes Open. And I'm going to just pop that down on this little piece of Dreamscape papers over the top of that background script. And again, let's grab our Bippity Boppity. And this glue is perfect for impatient people like me because it dries really quickly. So I'm going to pop that down round about there. And then got some other words. So words are just really nice with images, I think, especially a feeling, you know, however you're feeling. So let's just pick a few words. And you can put as many words on as you like. They only need to make sense to you. Okay, so I'm going to just add a little bit of depth now with the graphite. Just going around the edge. This kind of pulls the card together. So yes, I am using a little bit of ink. I know at the beginning I said you don't necessarily need the ink. And that's the beauty of the backing cards. But it's entirely up to you. This is your project. Okay, I'm going to just trim that off. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is grab some backing. So let's glue that down. Trim that down. Okay, so this is our yellow Posca pen, but I find this quite a gold kind of looking pen. I love this colour. So I'm going to just get a few little spatters. So finished it off with just a little bit of glitter. I'm just going to dot a little around, just giving it that little bit of a sparkle, just to finish off. And there it is. So how quick and easy was that? Just using the backing papers, creating a little bit of a collage, something completely different. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.